Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we've completely transformed this customer's landscape, bringing in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, some of the best grass your money can buy, in order to deal with an area that had very little sunlight, and it always found itself with an erosion problem. So by going with the Zeon Zoysia, we got a drought tolerance, a shade tolerance, and we got a grass that is guaranteed to last due to how hardy it is. Now, we also acquiesced this with the beautiful decorative gravel in order to put this customer into a position to where they were waterproofing their foundation, never having to worry about water being able to get to that foundation again. But it didn't stop there. We also provided this customer with an amazing landscape design with our custom dry creek bed to deal with the water coming from 3 different neighbors, all of which was falling to the path of least resistance on our customer's landscape. Plus, we had a hillside here that had water falling to the path of least resistance. So what I did is I came up with a design that allowed for me to be able to put in this custom dry creek bed that you see here, and allow that to then be able to appropriate the water down to the path of least resistance, where it's going into this custom drain box and then being taken off the back side of the property. But these are just some of the ways in which we continue to give our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And it's the reason we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more than that of what they could have ever expected. And that's exactly what we were able to do on this landscape. So if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, you're looking for a beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod installation, well, guess what, guys? You don't got to look far. All you have to do is give the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping a call, and we'd be glad to help you out.